Kaya nga sabi ko nga
Nasa
yan
Avenues
na
daw siya ngayon.
na baka kabagyan tayo kasi kabagyan namin mga ancheta din. Best friend ni mamang ko ancheta din. Kasi
Sino decide? Si Ancheta ba? Ni mamang o papang?
ni mamang ang side ngam ni Uncle Jesse nga ancheta. Ang naasawa niya best friend ni mamang nung elementary high school, si Auntie Pat. Rag kasing sinda. Baby's room man to. Yeah, I got myself a perfume. I got Coco Chanel Mademoiselle Classic. A gift for myself for 1 year of worth of working. So we are in our new room because the old room has only one big bed. So we transferred to a new room with 2 beds. Hello, good afternoon. Ni, nalipatak mo tagi dyan, dandanom. Nalipatak tagi dyan, dandanom, JNT. Lugan. So, we are in our new room, which has a double bed. Ay, wow! Ngayon, bakit mo? Dito yung near the window? Dito ka? O, sige. What did I shop today? First is Dunkin'. I got some Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Donuts. And then, next, I have, wait, let's switch this on so that you can see clearer, because I'm running out of this organic botanics face oil so that I will remain young looking. It's my show and tell time. Yes. And then from Lulu I'm running out of for my glucometer, the electrodes for blood test for sugar. And then I have different external hard drives. Like 3 weeks ago, I actually bought a 1.5 terabyte external hard drive. I have an external hard drive for videos, video files. I have external hard drive for photos. I have external hard drive for my personal files. I have an external hard drive for my work files. I have an external hard drive for media files, meaning TV shows, movies, anime, things like that. But my external hard drive for videos, which is 1 terabyte, suddenly got filled up. So I was planning to buy a 1.5 terabyte, another 1.5 terabyte external hard drive. It will cost 30 plus real. But thankfully, I found a 4 terabyte hard drive. And this one only costs 40 plus real, 42 I think or something. So it's cheaper than the 1.5 that's 30 plus. Next. From Brands for Less. I I ran out of my lint rollers. I use this for my clothes because I have a lot of black clothes and slacks or pants, and the lint keeps on sticking to them. So I got myself lint roller. And then I've been searching for these things. Okay, these are actually bath mats, like floor mats. Okay, but the material is like the good old-fashioned terry cloth, like towel, no, the cloth for the towel, good old-fashioned towel, but it's for the like floor mat, like for foot. Okay, there were only 3 left, so I got all 3. I took all 3. Okay, and then next is this one. I actually got, these are bikini bottoms for swimming, Adidas. I have a peach colored one, and then I saw this black one, so I took that one. And then this one is a treat. Okay, I got this from Capital Store. I do have a lot of perfumes, but mostly they are the local types, or the ones that are in, like, let's just say the Arab scents. There's a lot of perfume stores here. Like, people here like perfumes, so there's a lot of perfume stores that are really good. They smell so nice, and that's what I've been using daily. But it's been a while since I have an international brand perfume. The last time I had one was in New Year of 2020, when we went to Dubai with William and Dennis, and I got myself then Hugo Deep Red. So 4 years, more than 4 years, I think I deserve to have by myself a perfume, a branded perfume. It's been 4 years since I treated myself to a branded perfume, and this is the suggestion of Yummy. So I was choosing, and I was applying it on my skin, all the perfumes, because I'm very acidic. So after a while, the scent will, change. So I wanted something that will still smell nice on me. And syempre, Yummy is the one who's, I used his nose because I have really bad nose and sense of smell. So I asked for his opinion, and he chose this. He said it smells best on me. Yeah. This is Coco Chanel. Mademoiselle original. There's an intense version, but the original smelled better on me. Not only that, I got the best one, which is UD perfume. Yeah, which is more expensive than the UD toilette. So this is the perfume. So I only got the small one, the 50 ml one, because this is expensive, so you don't want to be wasting its smell if you don't, consume it in a certain amount of time. And it's also better if you put this in the refrigerator. You don't want this evaporating or something. So, as a treat to myself, I got myself a Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. Yeah. So that's all for today. This is day 2, and I don't know how much I've spent already. Calm down, Liza. Hello, good evening. Going out for a while. Bye-bye, see you later. On my way out. Ooh, it's hot. Wow, it's warm and toasty. Where are my glasses? Gonna wear my glasses. Where are they? He's there. Hi. Good evening. You should have come down and to the lobby. It's warm out here. Arthur Sir is here! Arthur Sir is here! Hi! Hello! Sorry to disturb all of you tonight! Good evening! Yes! Hello!
It's Danny.
Hi! Good evening! Nice to meet you both!
My brother Danny.
We're in Rui, inside Rui. I didn't know that this kind of place in Rui exists. It's first time going inside. And look at how traffic it is. This reminds me of Divisoria in Philippines. Or like near the Bayok Hotel in Thailand kind of vibe. We're in Rui with Dr. Arthur, Dr. Gabi, and Daniel. But it's too dark there. I can't see that. Yeah. Look, such a busy place. It's bustling.
You will not get parking here. It is very difficult to get parking. Go on the right lane.
Look. We're in Rui. I'm gonna buy my new phone because my husband will take my older phone. Which way? Inside? Haha. We're in a place called, how do you say it? Bai Kadai?
Yes.
Bai Kadai. Is this still Rui? No longer. Huh?
Wadi Kabir.
Wadi Kabir. So there's a wadi here?
Kabir. No Wadi. Name Wadi Kabir.
Ooh. Wadi Kabir. My first time in this area, I guess. Hello. I think a South Indian restaurant.
You are like.
This way?
Yes.
I sit here. Call this soup. What's this soup called? What you call this soup?
Chicken soup.
This is chicken soup. That's it. No specific name for it. There's no specific name for it. Just chicken soup.
Yes.
South Indian
Yes.
or entire India. Do it like this.
South Indian special. This South Indian special.
Yeah, it's hot,
Hot.
but it's nice.
Good for health. Not infection. Cold. It's very good. Put
There's
pepper if you
like
want.
turmeric.
Yes. Turmeric, pepper.
Yeah, I can taste the turmeric.
Yes, yes.
It's hot. Look at me.
Nom 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 nom.
They're going. I'm back at the Hilton. I got my phone. But I'm too full. I'm too full. I'm too sleepy. And my feet is killing me. Good evening to me. So, ladies and gentlemen, already got my new phone. Okay. Honor 90 5G. Okay. And with it, you know, I went to Lulu earlier to see the price. This costs 194.9 reals in Lulu, and they were offering 3 years of warranty. However, as you will know, there are cases wherein the phone will be cheaper outside of, you know, stores like Lulu or shops inside malls. So we went to Ruby. Thank you, Dr. Arthur and Dr. Gopi and Mr. Daniel. They came to fetch me and brought me to Ruby. They also were the ones who bought me my previous phone, which is this one. This is a Poco X5 Pro. This is my previous phone. I bought this last year around September. And so now I'm getting this one. I got a new phone before going home to the Philippines because my husband's phone is getting defective. So I'm giving my previous phone to him, and I got myself a new one. So when we got there in Ruby, after haggling, we kind of ended up just getting around 5 reals worth of discount. So in Lulu it was 194.9 and we got this for 190. But as you will know, in those places you get freebies. So on top of my Honor 90 phone at 190 real, I got this, an Honor Band 7. Okay, it's a smartwatch that is also made by Honor. And not only that, an extra casing. I think there's already a casing inside, but they still gave me one more extra. So at least I got like this much worth of freebies. So it's worth buying in Ruby. So I will do an unboxing, but I will of course put that in a separate vlog. Okay, Okay, watch out for that.
Pwede dito'y?
When?
Okay.
Oh, goodbye Hilton again for now. For the last time before vacation. Ay, hindi pa! Baka babalik pala tayo bago sumakay ng aeroplano.
Nakabook na tayo.
Ay, oo, babalik talaga pala. Okay. Babalik ka rin.
Ang bango mo. You see?
Talaga?
Sobra. Nakatingdog.
Ah!
You see? Hindi ko napansin ah.
Ako hindi ko masyado.
No. Other people will notice, not you.
Ah.
Yeah.
Kasi ako, di ba sabi ko sa iyo, my senses are a little dull. My sense of sight, hearing, even my sense of smell, lalo na yung parang ang hina-hina ng mga senses ko. Yung hindi ko alam kung ano yung para sa akin, lalo na sa sense. Ay, nako. Ha? Hindi. Itong human, talagang, Under Armour. Hindi, sa Sun and Sand ko to. Pero minsan may talagang mamadjadjakpat ang yung sa may Brands for Less, mga ganon. Yung New Balance ko na isa, yung kahapon, sa Brands for Less ko nakuha yun.
Don't tell me.
Oo.
Yung
Ang ganda,
polo
di ba?
natin?
Oo. Kasi nakita ko siya, tapos makapal pa siya. O di, kinuha ko na, hindi ko na pinitawan.
No, sinong to ditag pa regards ka lang kaya. O siya dito kasi. Ang tunog bumabata siya. Ano lang ang taray ko. Oh. Ay, agasawa. Dito'y pouch ka.
Is the reason why I got this color.
Universal siya, no? Ang pairing.
O, diba? Pero sa Pinas, I plan to buy blue, yung parang, yung blue para kasi doon parati akong naka-jeans o kaya yung denim. Pare-pares ko doon.
Tapos blue din man yung bag ko.
Kahit conforme na tidalit. Basta, di ba?
Mm.
Nag-pair lang tidwa, enough.
Usually ang bag at shoes ang
Oo. Maganda. Oo.
Check up pa lang. Check out lang. Done checking out, paid, we're leaving. It's around, like, what time is it? 11 o'clock? So, we checked out a little earlier this time. We usually check out after 12, around 1 p.m. usually. But this time we're going a little earlier because we will stop by somewhere before going to city center in Sib and then heading home. So goodbye for now, Hilton. We'll be back again around 3 weeks from now. Yeah, sure. I want like, where's that? How much is this now?
15.9.
It's salmon, ribs and chicken, nah?
Yes.
There's one that is like meat, all meat kind of thing. Where was that?
Steak.
Yeah, the steak part. Where was it? That,
This one.
only this part, no? This is the strip. I think it was this. No. I ordered something before.
We don't have ribs, Mama.
You don't have ribs, and that's what among the things I wanted to come here for. Oh, that's so sad. Okay, this one. This one.
New York steak.
Mm.
Well done.
No. Medium well.
Medium well.
Ah.
That one we serve it with rice and vegetables.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
But just well enough that there's no blood, but not too well. Okay? I just don't want to see blood move.
Okay.
Okay.
And then anything else? Drinks.
Something
What
to
would you like
drink. You have mojito or something?
Mojito, passion fruit, strawberry.
Strawberry.
Okay. Ay, sorry. Strawberry for now is not the...
Again?
Yes.
Come on. Where's the drinks? Where are the drinks? Here.
A minute.
So,
I think still have little bit of strawberry.
okay. Filipino, right? Filipina?
Opo.
Ganun naman pala. Hello.
Wala ng strawberry.
Okay, so the blue mojito na?
Yan na
Yeah,
lang.
Blue
Oo.
Pacifica, right? Okay,
Yan
thank
lang po. Sige.
thank. So I got myself some sushi. Just a few. I just miss it. I'll have more sushi when I get home. But for now, it's too small. The sauce. Gutom. Huge drink. This is the Blue Pacific Mojito here in Chili's. I think the last time we were in Chili's, I was with Doki and Frisia, and Doki ordered this one. How huge it is. Oh, thank you. So my meal is here. Oh my gosh. Am I able to finish all this? Am I able to finish all this? Look at that. Big plate, big steak. It's time to eat. I've been wanting this. It's been a long time since I've had steak. The last time was in MGM, in Chili's in MGM. I think that was Ascension Day holiday when we went. one like this for the ketchup?
Ask it.
Somehow there's logic on having potatoes with steak. Somehow the potatoes will absorb some of the excess fat. And the potatoes will taste like the steak as well. Somehow. You know why I'm having steak? It's been a while. I do cook my own steak from time to time when I see like there's a good slice of beef in the grocery store and it looks fresh. I would buy and then make steak for myself. But somehow I cannot get it to look like this. I don't know why. It just turns like grayish and it's so pale looking and so unattractive. So I might as well have real steak that's cooked by chefs or professionals. And there's no steakhouse in Ibri. You can never find something like this in Ibri, like a restaurant like this. So the only way I can have some steak is if I eat in Chili's. There's another one in Mall of Oman called Cowboy Grill. It's nice to eat there as well. So far, just this Chili's and Cowboy Grill are the ones I know here. Before there was Fridays, but that closed a long time ago. It's too far. I need my drink to be a little nearer. It's so crazy. I have to move a little. Moving a little. When eating steak, you have to eat a bit fast so that it's still warm. Once it cools down, sometimes the steak won't taste as good as when it's still hot. So you have to eat a little faster. It's okay if it doesn't cool fast, but it's air conditioned room, so chances are it will cool off faster. I guess I need to enjoy my steak now that I'm not still too affected by my levels of uric acid. Once that kicks in, let's say goodbye to a lot of excuse me, red meat. When your uric acid is high, no more red meat. So now that I can still withstand having meat and not suffer too much from arthritis or gout, I might as well enjoy it. So I just finished eating at Chili's. I'm on my way back. William said we're heading out in 10 to 15 minutes time, so we have to go. I wish that I still have enough space in my luggage for the additional stuff that I bought to bring home, but I may have to remove some stuff in order for me to fit in the more important ones. We have a brief stop over here. We've got something cold to drink, then a little rest. It's in the middle of the afternoon, around 2:40 p.m. It's like sleeping time, so we're getting a little sleepy, so we'll get something to drink so that we will wake up or perk up. Still a long way to go to Ibre, perhaps 2 more hours.